Hello, hello. Good evening, all of you. Am I audible? Guys, online students, am I audible? Good evening. I think I'm audible, right? Yes. Sir, notes, writing note. One note. One note as solution, but I would like to give introduction. Please give 2 minutes. Good evening, all of you. Hello, hello. Yes. Good evening, all of you. So in today's session, yesterday we did ratio proportion indices log. Yesterday I did not have time for giving introduction about the topic because there were so many problems I wanted to solve. So it was quite revision lecture. But today's session in equation, we are going to start from the scratch. Even the students who have not attended equations before, for you also it will be very much useful because from the basics we are going to do. And after that I'll be solving problems and a lot of hacks I'm going to discuss. Fine. Now listen here. The name of the topic is equations. Please don't worry about your max base and all. I will take care. I told you yesterday, I gave the commitment. I will take care of your paper 3. Just follow whatever I'm saying. That is more than enough. Okay. Yes, I think you can read what I'm writing. Yeah. I can read all your chats. So you can write chats and thank you for joining with me today. Okay guys, let us start. Okay, as far as our syllabus is concerned, from equation, the weightage of this topic may be what 3 to 4 marks. Okay, weightage of this topic is what 3 to 4 marks. In our equation topic, let us divide this topic into 4 parts. When you prepare equation, guys, I'm telling you, this is the way we need to follow. Okay, equation, let us divide it into 4 parts. First part is linear equation. First part is what? Linear equation. Second one is quadratic equation. And the third one is cubic equation. Finally, biquadratic equation. Yes. So there are 4 types of equations we are going to discuss in our syllabus. One is linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. So out of these 4, Which is most important, sir? What I should focus, sir? Of course, my dear, quadratic equation. But the linear equation is concerned, I think anyone can handle linear equations. Either it is one variable or two variable. Yes, of course you can handle. What is, yes, Shiv, don't worry. Maths, almost all the topics uploaded. Fine. Now, in quadratic equation, see, the most important part is quadratic equation. So here I'm going to give the proper introduction about quadratic equations. Okay. And first let us start with linear equation. What is linear equation is all about? See, listen here. An equation in terms of one variable or two variables with the degree 1. That's what we call as linear equation. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, can you please give me the answer for x is equal to? X plus 5 is equal to 10. What is x is equal to? What is x is equal to, my dear? X plus 5 is equal to 10. What is x is equal to? Please answer. 5. See, listen here. Yeah, 5. This equation, okay, this type of equation, we call it as linear equation because degree of this equation is 1. Okay, degree of the equation is 1. For example, x plus 2y is equal to 7. Now, this is also linear equation because degree of the equation is what? 1. Degree of the equation is what? 1. But this is in terms of two variables. In terms of what? Two variables. Whenever there are two variables, we need two linear equations. One variable, one equation is enough to get the value. Two variables means we need how many variables, how many equations, my dear? Two equations we want. Okay. So in your school level, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard level, you might have come across with these type of questions. So quite simple. In our syllabus, direct linear equation question can be asked or word problems can be asked. As I told you yesterday in my last session, yes, word problems, always be happy, my dear. One of the wonderful session is what? Actually word problem. One of the wonderful problems are what? From word problems. If word problem questions are there, just like that we can solve it, my dear. Just like that we can solve it. Okay. Yes. Now listen here. So linear equation, you don't require any introduction because that is any student who are from mathematics background or non-mathematics background, anyone can solve linear equation type problems. Of course, in my today's session, we are going to solve it. Now listen here. Now let me explain about quadratic equation. Yes. Quadratic equation. What exactly the meaning of quadratic equation? Now, an equation of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. An equation of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. This a cannot be 0 where a is not equal to 0, and this type of equation we call it as quadratic equation. Now look at this. What is degree of the equation is 2. And one more thing, my dear, there should be only one variable. It cannot have two variables. It cannot have what? Two variables. So this type of equations we call it as quadratic equation. Now in our syllabus we are going to divide quadratic equation into three parts. My dear, this way only you are also going to prepare in your examination. Sir, will this 3 hours enough to score 4 marks? I am giving you the commitment. Yes, this 3 hours more than enough to score 3 to 4 marks from this topic. Okay. Now look at this. First, the first part of quadratic equation is solving quadratic equation. That is, any quadratic equation will be given to you, we have to solve it. Now for example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now tell me, my dear, solve x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Tell me, what could be the value of x? That is, solving quadratic equation means what we have to do? Sir, when I multiply, I should get 6. When I add, I should get minus 5. Which are the two numbers will satisfy? Can you tell me which are the two numbers will satisfy, my dear? Yes. Which are the two numbers can satisfy? Can you please give me the answer? X square minus 5x plus 6. Can you give me the answer for this question? Fine, fine. Online students. Yes. Vaishnavi, you are right. Is my screen properly not visible, or it is visible properly, my dear? Because one student is saying not visible. 6 comma minus 1 is wrong. Can you please give me the answer? Yes, Saloni, you are right. 2 and 3. 3 and 2. Yes, of course. Sheetal, wrong. 5 and 6 is wrong. So it is 2 and 6. Now look at this. How we used to do? Sir, when you multiply, you should get 6. When I add, I should get minus 5. The two numbers are 3 and 2, which is x minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 comma 2. What is x is equal to? 3 comma 2. Now the value of x. This is what we call it as solving quadratic equation, and also we are calling it as roots of the quadratic equation. Huh? Is video is blur? My dear, is video properly? Everyone is saying video is blur. Why? Is it proper? Not clear. Please, my dear, wait. Is it clear, or it's clear only, na? Maybe from due to some internet issue from your side, my dear. Is my video is blur? Sir, all clear, na? Yes, everyone is saying perfect. Properly visible. Thank you. Yeah. Listen here. X is equal to 3 comma 2. X is equal to 3 comma 2. Now this is what values of x. The meaning of solving quadratic equation is getting the values of x, and we call this as roots of the equation. So in solving quadratic equation, what exactly the procedure, my dear? An equation is given to you. We have to solve it and get the values of x. And those two values of x we are going to call it as roots of the quadratic equation. What do we call roots of the quadratic equation? If the degree of the equation is 2, you will be getting 2 values of x. If the degree is 3, you will be getting 3 values of x. But remember, in quadratic equation, we are going to have only 2 degree. That is, only degree will be what? 2. Okay. And the value of this 3 comma 2, value of this x, we call it as roots of the quadratic equation. My dear, I hope you understand. This is the first part of the quadratic equation. First part is solving quadratic equation. What is second part is? Now in second part, say first part, an equation is given, solve it. Second part, roots are given, and we are going to form the quadratic equation, which is nothing but formation of quadratic equation. What is the second part, my dear? Formation of quadratic equation. What is the second part? Formation of quadratic equation. And the last part is properties. Okay, one is solving quadratic equation. Second is formation of quadratic equation. Third one is properties. Out of all the three, the most important part is properties. Out of all the three, most important part is properties. Okay. Yes, my dear, before I proceed, I think few people are saying it is clear. Few people are saying it is blur. I'm really confused. Many people are saying it is clear. Some of them are saying it is not clear. Can you please help me out, my dear? From where? How to increase the video quality? Yeah, from your side. Okay, from student side. Okay, they have to change the setting. Please change the setting, my dear. It is all perfect. Thank you, my dear. Okay, let us continue. Yeah. So first part, see here, properties is very important, my dear. Today you are going to learn lot of tricks, my dear, lot of hacks. So I want you to watch this full lecture. Okay, because today you are going to learn lot of hacks and tricks. Just try to understand. Now solving quadratic equation, formation of quadratic equation, and the properties, let us divide into 3 parts. What is my solving quadratic equation? Solving quadratic equations, an equation is given to you. We have to get the values of x, find the values of x. That is what solving quadratic equation. What is formation of quadratic equation? That is, roots will be given to you. We have to form the quadratic equation. Then third part is what? Properties. Okay. Now based on properties only, so many questions are going to come in the examination. So I want you to focus this properly. Guys, listen here. First part. In solving quadratic equation, there are two methods. One method you know. What is it? Factorization method. What is the first one, my dear? Factorization method. Okay. What is the first one is factorization method. This is the first method. Second method is completing square method. See, factorization method, of course, the simplest method. But the problem with factorization method is what? Every quadratic equation cannot be solved by using factorization method. So we go for completing square method. Using completing square method, we can solve any quadratic equation. But the biggest drawback is what, you know? The biggest drawback is what, you know? It's little tedious. It is little difficult to compute. So by using completing square method, we form the second method, the super duper method, that is formula method. And our entire quadratic equation topics revolve around this formula method. So all are requested to focus this very carefully. What is formula method? I always tell in every Indian citizen who cleared his 10th standard or 8th standard, remember this formula. Can you tell me, my dear, what is quadratic equation is? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. See, every Indian citizen who completed his 8th standard, his or her 8th standard, remember this formula. What is it? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Yes. Now listen here, my dear. Here there is plus or minus. Barabar? There is what? Plus or minus. What is by plus or minus? See, actually there are two roots. So, and the two roots, I am going to denote it as alpha and beta. So, how we are going to denote, my dear? Alpha and beta. So, tell me what is alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Please, my dear, I want you to write this. Alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, in quadratic equation, there are two things which are very important. One is sum of roots, and other one is product of roots. Yes. Guys, please, instead of talking unnecessary things in the chat box, please listen here. See, definitely it is going to be worth doing, my dear. Please look at this. Sum of roots. Sum of roots, I am going to write it as like, you know, alpha plus beta, because we are taking the roots as was alpha and beta. So, sum of roots, alpha plus beta. Product of the roots, alpha beta. I think you know the formula for alpha plus beta. What is it? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is c by a. Sir, from where we got this alpha plus beta and alpha beta, sir? When you add these two, you will get alpha plus beta. When you multiply these two, you will get alpha beta. So what is alpha plus beta is minus b by a. What is alpha beta is equal to c by a. Yes, my dear. Now look at this. 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Now, tell me what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Guys, please comment. Alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Please comment on this. Alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Please, what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta? Now, 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is given. First, what you will do? You will be comparing this 2x square plus 5x plus 7 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, tell me what is a equal to? What is b equal to? What is c equal to? Tell me what is a equal to? What is a equal to? Online, comment my dear. What is a equal to? What is a equal to? Tell me, my dear. What is a equal to? What is a equal to? Yes, very good. A is equal to 2. What is b equal to? What is b equal to? Compare this 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a equal to, my dear? 2. And what is b equal to? Tell me what is b equal to, my dear? What is b equal to? 5. And c is equal to 7. Is that clear, all of you? Once if you can identify what is a, what is b and what is c, what is alpha plus beta is? According to our rule, minus b by a. Sir, I got b as 5. So, therefore, minus 5 by 2. And what is alpha beta is? 7 by 2. Is that right, my dear? Say yes or no. I hope you all know about this, right? I hope you all know about this. See, my dear, before doing quadratic equation, if you want to revise quadratic equation, this is the way we need to revise quadratic equation. Please understand this. Okay, it is not about, taking the book and solving the problems. No, first half an hour, please go through this, whatever I'm writing now. Please go through this, whatever I'm writing now. Once you understand this now, please, problems and all, leave it to me. I'm going to give you some fantastic tricks and hacks in quadratic equation you have never experienced before. It's a challenge from my side. Okay, it's a challenge from my side. You are going to experience fantastic hacks, but for that, this basic information is very, very important. You should know how to find out alpha plus beta. You should know how to find out alpha, beta, everything. Is that right, my dear? Yes. This is what first part I want you to remember. Once again, tell me, what is alpha plus beta equal to? What is alpha plus beta equal to? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta equal to? C by a. How to get alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Sir, compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From there, find value of a, find value of b, and find value of c, and do it, my dear. Is that right? But I want you to practice. I want you to practice to write these values orally. Now, can we have one small test, my dear? 7x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. 7x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Tell me, what is a equal to, what is b equal to, what is b, c equal to? Tell me, what is a, what is b, what is c, what is a, what is b, what is c? Tell me, my dear. Yes, 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 yes. What is a, what is b, what is c? Comment, comment, comment. A is equal to what, b is equal to what, c equal to what? Comment. Fast, 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 fast. Guys, I'm waiting. A equal to what, b equal to what, c equal to what? Yes, a equal to 7. Yeah, b equal to, b equal to, b equal to. Yes, a equal to 7. What is b equal to? Santosh, wrong. B is not 5. Yeah, b is minus 5. Very good. Yeah, b is equal to minus 5. Chanchal, it is wrong. A equal to 7, b equal to minus 5. And c is equal to minus 2. Okay, Chanchal, you did wrong. So 7 minus 5 minus 2. Very good, my dear. Very good. Mubashira, wrong. It is not. Okay, it is there. Minus is there. Sorry, I could not read it properly. No, Janiel's wrong. 752 is wrong. Janiel, wrong. Please correct it and resend, my dear. Janiel, correct and resend. Ritika, please correct and resend. Wrong. Ritika, wrong. Sahil, wrong. Yeah, Chanchal, now it is right. Yes. Usha, Sai Shri, yes, everyone is right, my dear. Yeah, Ritika, now it is right. Madhavi, right. Fine. I think now you know how to get the value of A, B, C. Now tell me, what is, if A equal to 7, B equal to minus 5, C equal to minus 2. Tell me, what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta, my dear? It's very much crucial. What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha minus beta? Sorry, alpha beta. Tell me, what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta? What is alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Say loudly, what is it? Minus b by a. So here what will come? Tell me, my dear, please comment. What is alpha plus beta? Yes, Sai, right. Sai, right. Yeah, alpha plus beta is? Yeah, right. Very good, Sai. Right. Others, can you please give the answer, my dear? No, Ritika, it's wrong. Minus 5 by 2 is wrong. Ritika, wrong. Abhishek, wrong. Yeah. Sheetal, wrong, Sheetal. Yes. Actually, alpha plus beta is minus of b by a. But b is minus 5. My dear, you are committing simple mistakes. Please avoid doing mistakes, my dear. And minus 2 by 7. Am I right? Is this right, my dear? Is this right? Alpha plus beta is 5 by 2. Alpha beta is minus 7 by 2. Am I right? Meet, wrong, Meet. Madhavi, wrong. What is 5 by 7? I don't understand. Why 5 by 7? Oh, sorry. My bad. Wrong. You are right. I'm wrong. 7 only. 5 by 7 and what? Minus 2 by 7. I think I'm right now. Say yes or no, my dear. 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. Vinith, don't worry, Vinith. My English, I'm not a British English person. Okay. My Hindi is very poor. Okay. मेरा हिंदी बहुत खराब है तो इसके लिए मैं बात नहीं करता हूँ प्लीज बुरा मत मानना but don't worry you will understand okay my English is not British English yeah thank you yes very good my dear so alpha plus beta is 5 by 7 alpha beta is minus 2 by 7 see I speak in mathematical language okay my language is mathematics that's it okay guys So first part is over. First, I want you to remember this. Okay, first I want you to remember this. Hey, Karthi, what you're writing, man? Yeah. Yes, listen here. Alpha plus beta is 5 by 7. Alpha beta is what? Minus 2 by 7. Very good. Yes. Arey, Thunder Place comes in this also. There's another YouTube channel. My channel also you are coming. Your channel also you are coming. Yes, Chanchal. Thank you. Yeah. Now listen here. I think the first part is over. Am I right, my dear? This is the first part. Solving quadratic equation. This part you have to remember. What is the second part, my dear? Formation of quadratic equation. What is it? Formation of quadratic equation. Please write with me, my dear. Formation of quadratic equation. Okay, formation of quadratic equation. Okay, formation of quadratic equation. What is formation of quadratic equation? In this formation of quadratic equation, two roots will be given to you. What will be given to you, my dear? Two roots will be given to you. Using the roots of the quadratic equation, we have to form the equation. So what is it? The two roots we are going to denote it as what, my dear? Alpha and beta. So ये दो root को हम लोग alpha beta denote करेंगे. Yes. Now listen here. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Please mug up this, my dear. What is it? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Again, please write down, my dear. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. What is sum of roots here? What is sum of roots? Here we are denoting alpha and beta. So what will come, my dear, if I have to write it in? Alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Am I right, my dear? Is that clear, all of you? Yes. Yes, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now I want you to frame the equation. I'm going to give you two roots. मैं दो root देने वाला हूँ. So I want you to give me the roots of the equation. For example, 5, 3. Yes, 5, 3 are the roots of the equation. Can you please form the quadratic equation? Tell me, my dear. Yes, put it in the comment box. Logeshwaran, x square minus sum of roots into x. You missed x. And equal to 0 also you are missing. Write it properly. Aman, it's not an easy question. This question I have not yet started only. अरे यार, अबे आप लोग है ना थोड़ा कमेंट में टाइम पास मत करो यार, प्लीज. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Can you please, the two roots are 5, 3. I want you to give me the quadratic equation. Yes, Gopi, you are right. Dikshita, you are wrong, my dear. It is x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. You are missing equal to 0. Not 3, sorry, it is 15. Yeah, Dikshita, you are wrong. Vaishnavi, right. Why you people are missing equal to 0? If you are not putting equal to 0, then you are wrong, my dear. X square minus 8x. Ritika, it is not equal to 15, my dear. And it is equal to 0, you are missing, Ritika. Why, baby? No, it is wrong, why, baby? Can you please correct and send it to me? Please, wrong, it is wrong, my dear. Yes, Aditya, you are right. Devika, you are, sorry, not Devika, it is Daivik. Daivik, equal to 0, you are missing. Yeah. Subiksha, right. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Yes, everyone is right. Yeah, everyone is right. Yes. Arey Grishma, can you please check it? X square minus 5 plus 3 into x plus 5 into 3, my dear. You are putting again 5 plus 3. Please, please. What is 5 into 3 is 15. Rupesh, wrong, Rupesh. Rupesh, please correct and send it to me, Rupesh. Juhi, wrong, Rupesh, Juhi. Arey, you made it ulta, man. Say, Ruhi, it is actually sum of roots in the middle, product of the roots at the last. But you put it wrong. Please, can you recheck and send it? Yes, Tirumala, you are right. Pani, right. Yeah, Varsha, everyone is right. No, Usha, you are wrong. Can you please check it once again? Chantal, I think instead of x, you put it as 2, it seems. Okay, let it be. Yes, Piyush, right. Okay, now it's right, my dear. Yes, of course. Sir, will these type of questions asked in the exam? My dear, this is the type of questions coming in the examination. Okay, this is the type of questions coming in the examination. Please write it in the comment. I want the answer from you all. See, it is unlike ratio, proportion, indices, log. Quadratic equation can be solved with your help, my dear. Okay, today when we leave, you know everything about quadratic equation. Okay, that is my challenge. Okay, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. This is what? Formation of quadratic equation. In formation of quadratic equation, what and all to be remembered, I'll tell you. First one. See, listen here, in quadratic equation, there are two things which plays very important role. दो चीजें हैं बहुत जरूरी काम करते हैं. What is it? Alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta and alpha beta. The two important things. Yes, my Rosh, everyone is right, my dear. Yeah, very good. Good, good. Now, Usha, you are right. Fine. Pavan, I missed your answer. Can you please, 1 second, can you send it to me? I missed your answer, my dear. The answer is x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now, I'm going to give you, Vinith, what you did not understand, my dear? Alpha is 5, beta is 3, and we have to substitute alpha 5 and beta 3, that is x square minus 5 plus 3 into x plus 5 into 3 equal to 0. That's it. Yeah, listen here. Next one. What and all to be remembered? This is very, very important and crucial step, my dear. It is very, very important and crucial step. See, first one. Please mug up. Please mug up what I'm giving. First one. Alpha minus beta the whole square. Sir, we know the formula, sir. A plus, that is A minus B the whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. No, in quadratic equation, we are not supposed to write alpha minus beta the whole square in that format. We have to write it as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Can you please read it once again? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. See, we are writing alpha minus beta the whole square in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. In terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. For example, x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. The question can be asked like this. Find alpha minus beta. My dear, tell me, x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Find alpha minus beta. If this is the question, how you are going to solve it? Can you please tell me, my dear, how you are going to solve it? Sir, whenever quadratic equation is given, first find alpha plus beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. Comment. What is alpha plus beta? And what is alpha beta? Please comment. Yeah. What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha minus beta? Alpha beta. Sorry, please. Give me the answer. What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta? Fast. Very good. Alpha plus beta is? Yeah. Right. Varshana, Sugandhi, everyone is right. Santosh, right. Yes. Very good. Abhishek, I think it's wrong, my dear. Abhishek, 5 is wrong. Mahesh, you are right. Minus 5. Muskan, right. Yes. Sweta, wrong. Yeah. Very good. I think Harini, wrong. Please check, Harini, what you are doing mistake, my dear. What is this? Small thing you are doing mistake. 24 is the answer. I don't know. Alpha plus beta is minus 5. Now give me the answer for alpha beta. Give me the answer for alpha beta. Alpha beta. Please give me the answer for alpha beta. Alpha beta, what will come? Alpha beta, C by A. Yeah, please give me the answer. Very good, right? Alpha beta is, yes, very good. Alpha beta is 1. Now read the question. What they ask you to find out? Alpha minus beta, they ask you to find out. What they ask you to find out? Alpha minus beta, they ask you to find out. I know only alpha plus beta and alpha beta. I know only alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now tell me, my dear, I have this formula. Use this formula. Alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? Can you substitute and give me the answer? My dear, I want you to substitute and give me the answer. Yeah, please. Please. Find alpha minus beta the whole square. Use this formula. Use this note. Please, my dear. Fast. Alpha minus beta the whole square, which is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 1, which is 21. The question they ask you to find out alpha minus beta. I got alpha minus beta the whole square. Therefore, what is alpha minus beta is equal to plus or minus root of 21. Am I right, my dear? Is my answer is correct? Have you all got the same answer, my dear? Final answer is 21. No, my dear, it is Vinith. It is minus 21, my dear. So plus or minus root 21, my dear. Yeah. Very good. No, why everyone is putting 21? It is root 21. Okay. Sorry. Alpha minus beta the whole square is 21. But the question is alpha minus beta. So we need to find out what? Square root of 21. Yes, excellent. Very good. Square root of 21. Yeah, great. Good. Yes, I hope you understand. See, if you understand this, that means 1 mark fixed for you. Sir, will these type of question? Of course, this is the type of question is coming. Please understand. Next step. Alpha square plus beta square. Please write the formula alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. My dear children, for the same quadratic equation, can you please find out alpha square plus beta square? Yes, guys, please, can you give me the answer for alpha square plus beta square? Guys, solve it orally. Solve it orally. Don't take your pencil or pen or notebook. Solve it orally, my dear. You are attending my lecture and you are taking pen and pencil to solve this. Yeah. I want alpha square plus beta square. Tell me for the same quadratic equation. Very good. Vidur, right. 23, 23, 23, 23. Yes. Varsha, wrong. Check it once again. My dear children. Yeah, Taiba, you are right. Muskan, wrong. Check it once again. Muskan, now it is right. Juhi, yeah, right, my dear. Yes, Parimala, right. Varsha, very good. 23 is the right answer. Excellent. Please appreciate yourself. Clap yourself. Very good. 23 is the right answer. How, sir? Orally we can do. Array, you are attending my lecture. You will learn. Don't worry. Because I think you are attending my lecture for the first time, it seems. That's what you are asking this question. Sir, can we attend it orally? Right? We always attend orally, my dear. Rarely we take the pen. Yeah, Namrata, very good. Salonita, yeah. I think I want next sum. I'm going to give the formula and I'm going to ask you to find out. But I want you to do it orally again. Are you ready, my dear? Yes. Why Vikram? Plus or minus root 23? How it will come, Vikram? Wrong, my dear. Please, Talia, please clap yourself. You are right. 23 is the right answer. Now, alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Yes, Sheetal, root nahi aayega. Barobar. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Shubh, you are wrong, my dear. Why root is coming? Previous one, we got alpha minus beta the whole square. But they ask you to find out alpha minus beta. Therefore, we are finding its square root. Here, directly alpha square plus beta square only they are asking. Then how can you do it? Yes, very good. Now, alpha cube plus beta cube. What is alpha cube plus beta cube, my dear? Which is alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. What is it? Alpha cube plus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. My dear, I want you to find out alpha cube plus beta cube for this question. Same question. Find alpha cube plus beta cube. Can you please find out? You know what is alpha plus beta? You know what is alpha beta? Substitute and get the answer, my dear. Sir, last वाला में 16 था. मतलब किधर 16 था? My dear, orally apply your mind. $140. 140 wrong. Nishu, excellent, you are right. No, Parimala, you are wrong. Everyone is wrong. Yes, Mohan, you are right. Akash, right. No, Akash, wrong. No, my dear, Mayuresh, it is not plus 110, guys. Are you people are committing mistake in negative signs. That is signs you people are not comfortable, it seems. My dear, my answer is minus 110. Minus 5 the whole cube. Minus 3 into 1, minus 5. Minus 125 plus 15. I am getting minus 10. Did you understand this, my dear? Minus 110 I am getting. Is that clear, all of you? Minus 110 I am getting. Is that clear, all of you? Tell me. Minus 110. Pravan, it's wrong, my dear. Plus 110. Please don't put plus 110. Many people are putting plus 110. No, minus 110. Yes. Are Sharudeshna. Please check your answer, my dear. Sharudeshna. Yeah. Minus 110. My dear, this question was asked in the exam. This type of question was asked. Today we are going to solve this question. But when I solve it in the classroom, I want you to do it orally. It's a challenge. Okay? I want you to do it orally. Okay? Yes. Fine. Will you do it orally, my dear? Are you ready? अरे शीतल minus 117 कैसा आएगा रे? तू देख ना, minus 125 plus 15 which is equal to बेटा अरे मैं कुछ 10 लिखा minus 110. Kushbu, 110 is wrong, Kushbu. It is minus 110, my dear. Why you are committing this mistake? Kalpana, don't worry, orally is not difficult. I think you are doing it for the first time, so you are thinking it is difficult. Grishma, you are not getting. My dear, I did it. Check it. Grishma, now you got it. Can you please? अरे 120 विनीत प्लस हाउ 120 आएगा बताओ. देखो minus 125 plus 15. अरे you have calculator ना man. Why you are eating your brain? Calculator is there. Minus 125 plus 15 minus 110. Yeah, you got your mistake now. Very good. Yes, Sheetal. Vinith, now you got the answer. My dear, if you are liking this lecture, please like the channel and share it to everyone, my dear. I'll be very happy. Yeah. Yes, love you, Bhogeshwar. Thank you so much. Fine. So, actually there is alpha cube minus beta cube formula. Many things are there. But in our syllabus, let us hold with these three at least. At least I want you to remember these three. At least I want you to remember these three. So, in formation of quadratic equation, this is what you are going to do. Okay. Yes. Yes, Bhageshwar. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Ah, now you got it, Sheetal. Vinith, you got the answer or not, my dear? Yes, easy peasy. Okay. Now, अरे thunder plays minus 124 कैसा आया यार it minus 124. Last में a plus b क्या हुआ? Krish, can you please check it? Alpha plus beta is minus 5. मैंने substitute किया ना बेटा, alpha plus beta is minus 5. Can you check that? Grishma, can you please check my notes? I have solved it. Check it. Grishma, I want you to say yes sir, I understood. Please, I want. I think you are lagging, it seems. Lagging in the sense, I think I'm going ahead. You are behind as far as time is concerned. That is the problem here we are facing. Let it be. Now, next one. Karthikeyan. 125 minus 15. Minus 125 plus 15. Minus 110. Yes. Now listen here. Last but not least, properties. In this part, I'm going to give some tricks also. I want you to somehow you need to mug up, my dear. Yes, Krish. You got it now? Very good. Thank you. Now properties. Yeah. Got now, Grishma. Very good, Grishma. Yeah, thank you so much. Hey, Karthikeyan, correct the mistake and send it to me again. Yeah. Now, this particular properties part, I want you to mug up or I want you to remember. My dear, again I'm telling you, today you are going to learn lot of hacks and tricks. It's a beautiful tricks you are going to learn. Now, properties. First property is condition, nature. The meaning of properties is nothing but in the quadratic equation we are finding roots. Am I right, my dear? We are going to talk about the roots. Okay. Its character. Okay. Like you know, for example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now tell me the roots of this equation and roots of this equation. Tell me the quadratic equation. Sorry, for this roots. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Tell me what is it? Roots. Tell me, my dear. Roots of the quadratic equation. Can you tell me fast? Roots I want. Please give me the answer. X square. Yeah, very good, Gopi. Yes. Yes, Thunder Plays comes in both the channel, man. What is this, man? Thunder Plays wrong. 4 and 4. First property, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. What is this? Yeah. 5 and 6. Array, what you are doing, man? Yeah, Mubashira, right. Yeah. Muskan wrong. 5 and 6 is wrong. Saloni, right. 5,6 is wrong. 5,6 is wrong. He right. Ritika right. Yeah, second one. Gopi right, Gopi. Yeah, I'm talking about the first equation, my dear. First equation, you're wrong. Santosh wrong. Arvind right. Yeah, very good. So this is 3,2. This is 2,2. Am I right, my dear? Array, minus 5 and minus 6 and all, where is coming? Alpha and beta will be the roots. Here, nothing needed. It is direct answer, na? Now look at this. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equations. They are distinct numbers, right? Two different numbers. And these two are what? Equal roots. See, distinct roots. And this is what? Equal roots. This is what nature, my dear. The roots can be equal. The roots can be unequal. Okay, this is what properties. Now, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the nature of the roots is, roots are real and equal. My dear, please mug up, please mug up, please mug up, please mug up. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then roots are real and equal. When b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that means any positive number I get, then roots are real and unequal or distinct. Very good. Am I right, my dear? See, this is what distinct and equal. This is the nature. Next, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. As I told you earlier, this only exists in theory. Roots are real because I am not sure whether it is greater than 0 or equal to 0. It exists only in theory. In that case, we need to put only what? Real roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we have to as what? Imaginary roots. Then finally, b square minus 4ac. If I get a perfect square, then we call it as what? Rational roots. My dear, if you were remembering this, you will get 1 mark for sure. Can you do that? See, alpha and psi, calmly, alpha and beta symbols, my dear, symbols. That's it. Alpha beta sirf symbol hai, bas. Aur kuch bhi nahi hai. It's like just a symbol. It can be, I can put mn also. I can put p and q also. Who will ask me? Yeah. Okay. Now listen here. If you remember this, you will get minimum 1 mark for sure, my dear. Okay, only remember, that is more than enough. Yes, these are the properties. Now, to remember, okay, to remember. Now listen here, please. Listen this. These are the tricks and very important questions I'm going to solve. First one. If the roots are real and equal, then what is it, my dear? B square is equal to 4ac. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It is b square equal to 4ac. Second thing, what we need to remember, if roots are reciprocals of each other, then a equal to c. Please, my dear, if you remember this, it's nothing like that. For example, any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, please just write and remember. I will just reveal one by one. All the properties will be discussed. Don't worry, my dear. Okay, today I'm going to solve all the problems. No, thus I'm going to solve many problems today. Wait. If roots are reciprocal of each other, then remember the condition. First term and last terms are equal. Third one. Okay. Third one. If one root is double the other, oh sorry, instead of double the other, n times the other, then condition is n b square equal to n plus 1 the whole square AC. No thunder place for second equation. The roots are 2 and 2. Still you are there? Yes, Kesavan, thank you. nb square equal to n plus 1 the whole square AC. If one root is n times the other, then 1 nb square equal to what? N plus 1 the whole square AC. Sir, can you give some example? Of course, I'll give some example. How much time you are going to save, if you are remembering this? Look at this. If one root of the quadratic equation is 3 times other, then the condition is, my dear, this is exam question. This is exam question. What exactly the method, I'll tell you. So alpha is equal to 3 beta, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha is equal to 3 beta plus beta is equal to minus b by a, 4 beta is equal to minus b by a, beta is equal to minus b by 4a, alpha beta is equal to c by a, then 4 beta square, 3 beta square is equal to c by a, then substitute the value of b. There's so much procedure is needed. But if you remember this, it is 3 times the other. Only replace 3 in terms of n. What is it? 3b square is equal to 3 plus 1 the whole square. 16 AC. Answer in one line, you can get it. Okay. 3b square is equal to what? 16 AC. What is it? 3b square equal to 16 AC. Is that right, my dear? 3b square equal to 16 AC. Yes. Sujita, everything will be explained. Wait. Okay, now listen here. Arjun, thank you Arjun. तो मेरे को जितना आता उतना बस हो गया. एकेडमी सब ज्वाइन करने का मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर ऑफर. 3b square equal to 16 AC. Now, can you give me the answer for the same question, my dear? If one root of the quadratic equation is 5 times the other, one root of the quadratic equation is 5 times the other. Now, can you give me the condition? Yes, put it in the comment, my dear. One root is 5 times the other. One root is 5 times the other. Yes, one root is 5 times the other. Tell me, my dear, what is the answer? One root is 5 times the other. Give me the answer, my dear. Give me the answer. Put it in the comment box. One root is 5 times the other. Yes, Vidhu, right. Guys, can you give me the answer? Yeah, right, Gopi. No, thunder plays wrong, my dear. नहीं पता sir. Very good. अरे यार, it is n times the other. I gave the rule. Only you have to substitute. Yes, Aditya, right. Look at this. If n times means, here it is nb square. 5 times means what will come? Yes, Juhi, right. Arey, Kesavan, everyone giving only left hand side. Give me the full condition. Yes, Akshata, right. Navneet, right. Here, right. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone is right. Yes, Irfan, everyone is right. Very good. Very good. Why, Mahesh? 5b square equal to 36 AC. Man, there is a typing error, it seems. Vinith, right. Ashwin, right. Yes. See, I told you, you can solve this orally if you remember this rule. Next. If now, if ratio between the roots m is to n, if instead of one root is n times other, if it is given the ratio between the roots, then the condition is m and b square, is equal to m plus n the whole square AC. What is it? M plus M and B square is equal to M and B square equal to M plus N the whole square AC. M and B square equal to M plus N the whole square AC. Now, are you ready to solve one sum, my dear, based on this? Now, if the ratio between the roots of the equation is 3:2, if the ratio is given 3/3:2, now give me the condition, my dear. If the ratio is 3:2, give me the condition. Yeah, please put it in the comment box. If the ratio is 3:2, please put it in the comment box, my dear. Yeah, 6b square equal to 25 AC. Very good. Yes, Sweta, right. Next. Proceed. Go be right. Yes, Sugandhi, right. Yes, Arvind, everyone is right. Yes, Juhi, right. Yes, Mubashira, everyone is right. Yes, Ritika, right. Fine, let's learn it. Yes, Rad. Very good. If you like this trick, show me thumbs up, my dear. If you like this trick, please show me thumbs up, because you are saving a lot of time, and in the examination these type of questions generally they are asking. Akshata, wrong. Akshata, can you please check it once again? Yes, thank you so much. Yes, very good. I think this way we have to show, right? This is also one of the symbol, it seems. Okay, what is the symbol actually? Heart. Okay, fine. 6b square equal to 25 AC. Yes, m and b square क्या करेंगे सर? See, इधर m is to n है ना, m is 3 and n is 2, मतलब 3 into 2 b square is equal to 3 plus 2 the whole square AC. So 6b square equal to 25 AC, my dear. Yes, Chancel, understood. Yes, very good. Thank you for your thumbs up. Yes, Farzana. Somebody joined in the name of Hindi. Now, Kirbashri. Yes, my dear. Yes, everyone is right. Yes, Sheetal. Thank you. Yeah. So, I hope you copied. My dear, to do quadratic equation, at least this you need to remember. Okay, now shall we start doing the problems? Say yes or no, my dear. Shall we start doing the problems? Now you see how beautifully you are going to do the problems. Somebody was telling, sir, how can we do these problems orally? Now you are going to solve most of the problems orally. Are you ready? Are you ready, my dear? Say yes or no, are you ready? Let us do the problems. Yes, sir. Where is the notes actually? Guys, can you give me some time, because I am not getting the notes. Wait. Call someone now, please. Yes, wait. Please give me 2 minutes. I am not getting the notes. Wait. Got it. Thank you. Yeah. Now look at this. Let us solve orally, my dear. First question. Guys, I want you to give me the answer first. What is given? Alpha plus beta is -2. Alpha beta is -3. Then alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, which is we need to find out. See, it is a formation of quadratic equation. Am I right, my dear? Formation of quadratic equation. What is formation of quadratic equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Am I right, my dear? Grishma is asking, anyone is from Karnataka? Arey, say yes, man. Someone is from Karnataka, means say yes. I am from Chennai, Grishma. Yeah. Now, can you substitute and give me the answer, my dear? What could be the answer? Fast. Only substitute. Everyone is giving me answer B. B option, sir. It's easy. My dear, this is what the question in the examination they are asking. Yeah. Hindi theriyadu poda. B. Rupesh B. Ritika B. Yes. Yes, B is the answer. Very good. Wow, everyone got the same answer. I think unanimously everyone gave me the right answer. I'm very happy about it. Minus of, what is alpha plus beta is? Minus 2. Alpha beta is minus 3. So x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the first time I'm telling you, my dear, today's session, this is the first question. Everyone unanimously gave the answer, same answer. None of the student committed a mistake. Very good. I'm very happy. So that first 1 hour was fruitful. Okay. Next one. There is a mistake in this question. Please rewrite. 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power 2x minus y is equal to root 8. This is the question. Now, the best method to solve this question is what, my dear? Don't use any actual method. Trial and error method. But actually, trial and error method, look at the options, my dear. All the options are in fraction. You may find it a little difficult. Okay. But still you can try. Can you please use trial and error method? What could be the answer? Can you try this? A. People are given me answer A. C. Somebody given me C. A. Okay. Can you please try and give me the answer? Tamil Kurusal is given as A. Fine. Let me do. Shh. Now, can I write this as 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power 2x minus y is equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 cube, and this root is nothing but what? This is 2 cube whole power 1 by 2. Is this 2 power 3 by 2, my dear? So, equate. Only index I am going to equate. X plus y is equal to 2x minus y is equal to 3 by 2. We have to substitute the values of x and y here, so that I'll be getting 3 by 2 as the answer. Now at least this part, can you please try and give me the answer, my dear? Sir, A. A is the right answer, my dear. A is the right answer. Let me check. X plus y. What is x plus y? X is 1, 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. What is it, my dear? 3 by 2. No, Vikram, C is wrong. 2x minus y. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. What is 2 minus 1 by 2 is? 3 by 2. A is the right answer. See, no one given me the answer unanimously. Many people have committed a mistake. Sir, is it necessary to write this step? Even that is also not necessary. This root 8, if you know how to write 3 by 2 means, in this x plus y, put the value, you should get 3 by 2. And here 2x minus y, there you substitute and you will get 3 by 2. Okay. I want you to give me the answer for this question, my dear. 3 by x plus y, 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1. Use trial and error method. Don't use any other method. Trial and error method is the best method. Start doing it fast, 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 fast. Thina Panol is given us 3 by 2. For which one? Make it fast, 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 fast. Arey, why you are taking too much time? Bhavya, if you are skipping this topic, it's wrong, my dear. Don't skip that. Sheetal is given as answer as B. I think. Arey, B. Yes, everyone is giving me answer B. Here, this side, everyone is giving me answer A. What is this? One side giving me answer B. The other set of students giving me answer C. So for first one, okay, okay. Here answer, array, what is this? Ah, okay. Shall we try, my dear? Shh. Allow me to do. Are you ready? Yeah. Look at this. I feel B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Chanchal is giving me B as well as A both. I think B is the right answer. Check it. X is 1, Y is 2. 1 by 1 plus 2 minus 1 by 1 minus 2. 1 by 3 minus minus of minus plus 1. 4 by 3. Satisfying. And here also 3 by 3 plus 2 by 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. Satisfying. So option B is the right answer. Wow, fantastic. Now before I proceed, of course you might have heard about Pythagoras triplet. You might have heard about Pythagoras triplet. That is 3, 4, 5 is Pythagoras triplet. The meaning of Pythagoras triplet is what you know. 3, 4, 5 satisfies Pythagoras theorem. Look at this. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. If any triangle contains one of the side as 3, second side as 4 units, third side as 5 units, we can call the triangle as right angled triangle. Please remember this first. Now, if the sides of an equilateral triangle are shortened by 3 units, 4 units and 5 units respectively, and the right angle triangle formed, then the sides of an equilateral triangle is, please understand the question. There is a right angle triangle and we are shortening each side. We are shortening each side. One side as 3 units, second side 4 units, third side 5 units, and we are getting a right angled triangle. Then we are getting a right angled triangle. Look at this, my dear. Please listen this very carefully. Now, what is the side of the equilateral triangle is the question. For example, if side of the equilateral triangle is 6, trial and error method, if the side of the equilateral triangle is 6, one side shortened by 3, that means it will become, one side will become what? 3. Second side will become what? 2. Third side will become what? 1, because 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5, which is 3, 2, 1. Definitely not a right angle triangle. 7 also not coming. Now check with 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. 3, 4, 5. It's a Pythagoras triplet. So now after shortening each side, I am getting it as a right angle triangle. Therefore our answer is what? Option C. Guys, you understood this? Guys, say yes or no. If you understood, please show me thumbs up. If you understood, please show me thumbs up. Yes. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Option C. Very good. Good. Chanchal is asking what is Pythagoras theorem. My dear, Pythagoras theorem is, see, this is hypotenuse. If I take AB, hypotenuse square is equal to A square plus B square, my dear. Yes. Now, if alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 5 equal to 0, they ask you to find out alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Now everyone can do this sum. Each and everyone, sir, I am not a mathematics student, sir. Still you can do it because just now only you did. They ask you to find out alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Actually what they are asking you to find alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha beta. I think I gave the formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. Say yes or no. What is alpha cube plus beta cube formula, my dear? Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Am I right, my dear? Now, from this equation, find alpha plus beta. Find alpha beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta? Tell me, my dear. What is alpha plus beta? My dear, what is alpha plus beta? What is alpha plus beta? See, what is A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 5. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 1. That is minus B by A. What is alpha beta? C by A. You got alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Substitute here, my dear. It's a very simple question. Can you please help me to get the answer? Yes, option D is correct. Very good. I think now you got option D. Wow, fantastic. I think after very long time I'm getting again unanimous answer. Everyone is giving me right answer. But remember, half of the sum I solved it. In the examination I cannot come and solve on behalf of you, my dear. D is right. Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into minus 1 divided by alpha beta minus 1 cube plus 15 divided by 5. I am getting 14 by 5. I hope everyone got 14 by 5. Am I right? I hope now you got it. I think now there is no confusion. Say yes or no. Sir, if these type of questions are coming in the examination, definitely I will be able to answer, sir. Is that clear, all of you? Can you do it? I want you to give me answer for the same type of question. Now this one, it is up to you, my dear. Give me the answer. Let's see. Time. I am going to set the time, my dear. You will get only 20 seconds. Thunder plays, it is waste of time, my dear. Only 20 seconds. I want you to give me the answer. 20 seconds. Yes, Chanchal, you can do it orally in the exam. That's what I said earlier. And this question also orally you can do it. People are giving me answer as C. Wow. Are you are fast? I think few students are really fast. Very good, very good. Hats off to you people. I think I can show this to you people for this sum. Fine. Now, can I do the same problem in different way? Much more simpler method. I think the original method you know, right? You want me to explain the new method, that is which is shortest method. Are you ready? Fine. Look at this sum. X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. What is it? X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. By looking at the quadratic equation, you know how to solve it. I think you can solve this quadratic equation. Sir, when I multiply, I'll be getting 12, sir. When I add, I'll get 7, sir. Which are the two numbers? 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. Am I right, my dear? 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. The two numbers are 4 and 3. Plus 4 and plus 3. Therefore, roots will be minus 4, minus 3. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no? So, this is my alpha, this is my beta. Substitute here. Alpha is minus 4. Alpha square is minus 4 the whole square, 16. Divided by beta. Beta is minus 3. Plus beta square. What is beta square, my dear? Minus 3. That means minus 3 the whole square, 9. Divided by alpha. What is it? Minus 4. Now take LCM. Minus 4, 16s are. Minus 64, minus 27, divided by what? 12. You understand this? Right? This way also we can approach. See, sir, I approached alpha plus beta, alpha, beta. You got the same answer. Sir, why you have not done this in the previous sum, sir? Previous sum also you could have tried this, na sir. But actually previous sum was not factorizable. Previous sum was not factorizable. But this question is factorizable. My dear, you understood or not? Say yes or no. Guys, please say yes or no. If you like this trick, please show me thumbs up or like this video, my dear. Yes. Very good. Yes, Tamil Kursa. This way is very awesome. Yeah, of course. Good. Janil is saying ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. क्यों भाई? 4 और 3 कैसे लिया है महेश? x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 12. अरे 8th स्टैंडर्ड का क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है भाई. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 12 ऐड करेगा तो 4, which is nothing but 4, 3. So minus 4 minus 3 will be the roots. Old one is good. Okay, Grishma. Whichever you are comfortable, I'm happy. Yeah. Fine. Listen here. See. If you give me 2 minutes time, let me explain this beautifully. First I will do the actual method. सर एक भी सम का आंसर बरोबर नहीं आ रहा है. अरे वाई बाय जेनियल, थोड़ा तो टाइम दो. स्लोली अभी हम लोग आ रहे हैं ना. आफ्टर 10-15 sums you will start giving me the answer. Wait. Now listen here. When two roots of quadratic equation are alpha and 1 by alpha, then what will be the quadratic equation? My dear, I will do it by actual method first, then I will show you one direct method. Are you ready? Super duper method. Okay, I will do the method first, then you tell me whether it is super duper or not. Okay, fine. This is my one dude. Okay, what is quadratic equation? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Is that right? Is what our regular quadratic equation says or no? Now take LCM. Alpha square plus 1 divided by alpha into x plus 1 equal to 0. Denominator is alpha, na? Multiply throughout by alpha. Is that right? Bikram, actually hack से आ रहा है ना. It is not 96 by 12. 96 by 12 मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा है. Actually it is minus 91 by 12. Okay. Now you want to solve the same question orally. Would you like to solve same question orally? Fine. I need few likes then. If you want to solve this question orally, then I need a few likes. Please, I need a few likes. Please motivate me. Thank you for this much like. Yes. I think in Thankyou channel I'm getting lot of likes. Innovate channel, please. Like दूंगा sir. Okay. Please दे दो यार. Thank you so much for the likes. Okay. Now listen here. Shh. Listen here. Please understand this trick. Please keep quiet. Look at the answer question very carefully. Sir, alpha and 1 by alpha, sir. Roots are reciprocals of each other. Now go to that shortcut hacks to remember part. To remember part. Go to remember part. What I said, if the roots are reciprocals of each other, A is equal to C. Coefficient of x square is equal to constant. Did I say that or not, my dear? Is that right? Fine. So here in only one option, A equal to C. See here alpha is 1. They are not equal. Here alpha is equal to 1. Not equal. But here alpha and alpha, it is equal. Can we mark the answer directly without doing anything? But few students may have a problem. Sir, none of these options also there. So I need to take care of that. Am I right, Minor? None of these options also there. I need to take care of that. Of course, you need to take care of that. How to take care of that, I'll tell you. Middle term is sum of roots, right? What is alpha plus 1 by alpha? Alpha square plus 1. Is it there in the middle term? That's it, na? Janiel, I think I explained it. Right? Say yes or no. My dear, you understood or not? Did you like this? Yeah? Did you like this trick, my dear? A number consists of, thank you, yes, okay. A number consists of 2-digit. My dear, if word problems are there, you should be very happy, and at least my student should be what, happiest person in the world. That way you need to dance. Wow, word problem, I am going to get good marks. Now look at this. A number consists of 2 digits. That means I am going to have a 2-digit number. The digit in ones place, that is units place, is thrice the digit in the tens place. 56 means this is ones place or units place. This is tens place. Am I right, my dear? Now, digit in ones place is thrice the digit in the tens place. Next, if 36 is added, then the digit is reversed. That means if 56 will become 65. This is what reverse. Now, which is the number? Use trial and error method. Take option A. Option A, actually this is units place, this is tens place. Here the condition is ulta. Tens place is 3 times the units place. But the given condition is what? Units place is 3 times the tens place. So this cannot be my answer. Am I right? So 26. This can be my answer. Because units place is what? 3 times the tens place. Then I'm going to check the second condition. What is the second condition? Add 36, 62. So reverse of 26 is what? 62. Sir, answer over, sir. Right? Otherwise, what is the method? Let the units place be x, tens place be y. Therefore, the 2-digit number is what? 10y plus x. It's unwanted. That's a waste of time. My dear, you like this? See. Exam question again. Look at this. Find the condition that one root is double the other. Now I want you to give me the answer orally, my dear. I want you to give me the answer orally. Yes. Tell me, my dear, double the other. Double the other means 2 times. Yes, Das. Are you Tamil? Yes, my dear, I am Tamil only. Two times either. Give me the answer, my dear. Give me the answer. I gave the shortcut, right? Did I give the rule? बताओ बताओ जल्दी सोलूंगा बात सीकर सोलूंगा फास्ट चप्पू चप्पू परा लवकर लवकर yes now listen here C very good thunder plays A why you are giving man C is the right answer. Please check the tricks, that properties I gave to remember part. If one root is double the other or one root is n times the other means the condition is given as what? nb square equal to n plus 1 the whole square AC. So double means 2b square equal to 2 plus 1 the whole square AC, which is 9 AC. Say thank you man, because such a big sum without doing anything directly you are giving the answer. Did I tell you that or not? You will be solving the answers orally. You will be giving me the answers orally. Did I tell you that? Now you are giving. That's what I said. Alpita, thoda bahut etat. I mix Marathi and Hindi, everything. My dear Ritika, can you please watch it once again the video? Because that is not that difficult question, my dear. It's very simple question. Did I tell you that or not? Without solving, without touching your pen, most of the problems you are going to give me the answer orally. Now you are doing it. Ritika, please, I told you now, watch it once again. हाँ? बाद में एक बार देख लेना. Yes. Ha. Actually, this is 4 power x into 8 power y. I don't want to insult you by solving this question. Yes, Tanish, thank you. I don't want to solve this question. I don't want to insult you by solving this question. Can you please do it on your own, my dear? Shades is asking, you know Urdu? No, my dear. We need short break. Mahesh, time नहीं यार. बहुत कुछ करना है. Sums. You go and come, no problem. You go and come. Yes, yeah, very good. I am getting unanimous answer. People are giving me option A. Everyone is giving me answer A. So let us pray to God. Let these type of questions come in the examination. No one will lose the marks, my dear. I'll be the happiest person then. Yes, A is the right answer. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Sheetal is asking A question mark. A is right. No need to put question mark. Fine. 2, 1. 4 square into 8 power 1. 16 8s are 128. First equation satisfies. Second condition. 3 power 2 divided by 27 power 1. 9 by 27, which is 1 by 3. Yes, sir. Second condition also satisfied. Wow, fantastic. Thank you. My dear, every day you please try to come so that for me also, you know, it will be energy, my dear. As I told you, short break not possible, my dear. You please take break and come back. Anyhow, it is because I have to complete this. There are many problems are there. I think total how many problems you know? I have to solve 35 questions. Till now I reached only 11 questions. Okay. The three roots of the equation x cube plus 9x square minus x minus 9 equal to 0. Now, how the kids solve the problem, I'll tell you. How the kids solve the problem. Maximum what trick people might have taught you, no? Sir, substitute the values of these three values on the left hand side, sir. Whichever satisfies, that is the answer. Am I right, my dear? Yes. My dear, this way only questions are coming. Yes, Rupesh, chalu hai. Students are here. Vicky, I want you to attend regularly on live, my dear. So that is the reason. शीतल, इसमें से 3 to 5 सब कुछ इसमें से आएगा, सिर्फ नंबर चेंज होगा. Only number will be changed. Yes, the maximum trick you might have learnt is what? Substituting the values. My dear, let me give you one beautiful trick for cubic equation. If you like it, say thank you later. Yeah, for cubic equation. If you remember me during exam time now, then I'll be the happiest person. Now look at this cubic equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Is this cubic equation, my dear? I said 4 types of equation. Linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic. I completed up to quadratic. Now let me explain cubic equation. Kribashi is saying it is not clear. What is it is not clear, my dear? Now, I will give you one trick here. Sum of roots minus b by a. Sir, in quadratic equation also sum of roots minus b by a, sir. Yes. Second term, that is coefficient of minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x remains same. Yes. Next, product of roots. In quadratic equation, we write it as what? C by A, constant divided by coefficient of x square. But here, it is going to be d by A, but minus d by A. Is that right, my dear? Fine. Same way, I'll give a trick for biquadratic also. May or may not come in the exam. Today, after I complete this, take your institute material or your coaching class material, try to solve every sum. You will do just like that, my dear. Aditya, very good, but it is not only d by A, it is minus d by A. Biquadratic equation means what? Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Sum of roots, same, minus b by a. Product, e by a, but it is positive, plus e by a. Quadratic equation also product is positive. Biquadratic also product is positive. Is it understood or not, my dear? It is like, alternate signs, right? What is e? E is constant. Sir, what is the advantage of remembering this, sir? My dear, if you understand the trick, you have to say me thank you. Now look at this. A cubic equation is given. Maximum what method you followed, my dear? Substitution method. But what I am trying to tell you is, tell me, in this quadratic cubic equation, what is a equal to? 1. What is b equal to? Tell me, what is b equal to? 9. What is c equal to? Minus 1. What is d equal to? Minus 9. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no? Fine. Now, sum. What is sum, my dear? Sir, minus b by a. Tell me what will be sum here. Tell me. Minus b by a. Minus 9. What is product? Minus d by a. Minus of, what is d is? Is that right, my dear? Sir, from this what we come to know? Only one thing, my dear. Options are given. Sum is minus 9. Product is plus 9. Take the three numbers. When you add the three numbers, you should get minus 9. When you multiply the same number, you should get plus 9. If I take 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, minus 9 is not coming. No way. And also there is no negative sign, only 9. Minus not possible at all. Go for option B. Sum 1 minus 1 minus 9. Minus 9. Sir, first condition satisfied. Product 1 into minus 1 into minus 9. Second condition also satisfied. So our answer is B. Did you like this method? My dear, did you like this method? Yes. Show me thumbs up, my dear, at least if you like this. Yeah, like. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sure. Fine. Understood. Okay, thank you, Mahek. Shraddha, yes. Will offer which method? Substitution method. Okay, you go for wonderful. Okay, thank you, my dear. Next. Actually, this is trial and error method. Don't use. Why I am telling you, my dear? Decimal. Sir, I have calculator, sir. I have calculator, sir. Very good. But still it is waste of time. Now, giving you 40 seconds time to solve it on your own. Please. Sir, be like BTS fan. Array, BTS fan and all, I don't know. Here people are showing me this way. this sign they are showing, so that's what I was showing you. Here the people who are sitting live, they said it is called a heart. So this symbol is called a heart. I don't know whether they are BTS or what. What is the answer? Yeah. BTS, you know, sir. Arey, Vaishnavi, my daughter knows BTS, so of course I know BTS. 10 and 15. What is LCM? 30. So multiply throughout by 30. So 3. 6x plus 15 plus 6x plus 20 is equal to 150. 12x is equal to 115. X is equal to, I think I'm getting 9.58. Am I right? Guys, you got it? What? What do you got 115 by 9? Show me the calculator. 9.58 I'm getting. Where? Properly 9.58. Ah, then that's what. Don't substitute. Don't use trial and error method. Vicky, I'll think about it, my dear. If I start uploading it on YouTube now, you people will not come for live, man. B is the right answer. Next one. I don't think so. You will like this sum, but I enjoy this sum. Okay. I like this sum, actually speaking. X is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. They ask you to find out x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. My dear, thank you, Thunder, please. Now also I am looking cute only. Don't worry. Now, x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. If you want to do direct method, these type of question, please understand these type of questions. Some x value is given. They ask you to find out, like, left hand side of quadratic expression is given. They ask you to find out right hand side means. If you want to take a risk, calculative risk, I always used to tell the students, sometimes taking calculative risk is calculative risk is always good. Okay. For this, the calculative risk is 0. Directly you can mark answer as 0. Nothing wrong in it. But you need to understand the pattern. But I'll show you. Yes, thank you. But I'll show you how we got it. First you will do 5 minus 2 root 6. A plus B, A minus B. 25 minus 24. So x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Bring 5 to left hand side. X minus 5 is equal to minus 2 root 6. Squaring on both sides. X minus 5 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square. Expand. X square minus 10x plus 25 is equal to minus 2 root 6 the whole square is what? 24. Bring 24 to left hand side. 25 minus 24 is what? 1. This is the procedure. If you ask me, this procedure is waste of time. Please identify the type, and if this type of question, always answer is going to be 0. Yes, Mr. Gamer. Thank you. Always x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Vicky, don't worry. During exam time, that is after law exam, I will be coming with last day revision in my channel. Okay. Mostly what, in 4 to 5 hours time, I'll start that session at 7 o'clock in the evening. It will go up to 12 o'clock, 12:30. In that session, I may solve around 500 to 600 sums. In that 600 sums, I'm telling you, it's a challenge from my side. At least Directly 10 to 15 questions will be asked in the examination. Indirectly it will be useful for at least 70 marks. Don't miss that lecture. That is more than enough. Don't worry about anything. Yeah, next one. See, it's an initiative by, for North student is by Innovate, for South it is Thankyou. We are together only. It's an initiative. We would like to help across India, all the students across India, by delivering this type of lectures. Okay, so please make use of it. Okay, please make use of it. Yes, Sheetal, thank you. Ha, mokkasam, that is, faltu sum. Now look at this. Find the value of k so that x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation 3x square minus 2kx plus 5 equal to 0. Sir, in the Madri equation on the direct 0. That's what I said, Vicky. You have to put it as 0 only. My dear, see, always remember, all students who are attending the session, please remember, don't try to attend each and every sum and don't try to solve each and every problem, my dear. The worst thing what students are doing, you people are behaving like Ramanujam and Shakuntala Devi. That is wrong and it is nonsense, my dear. Are you are writing competitive exam, but I can tell you, no one is approaching this CA foundation exam as a competitive exam. Even teachers also not approaching it as a competitive exam. They are just thinking that we are the smartest people and we are doing it. What nonsense. It's a competitive exam. Approach is different. Please change the approach. Try to learn approach from my side. Yes. Find the value of k so that x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation 3x square minus 2kx plus 5 equal to 0. Vicky, answer la wrong avadpa. Yampa baipuringa. Why you are scared? I don't understand. Don't get scared. No need to use of calculator trick, Kusum. It's not needed. Fine. What you have to do, put x is equal to 2 here. Answer is over. Tell me what is answer? 3 into 2 square minus 2 into k into 2 plus 5 equal to 0. 4 3s are 12. 17. 4k minus 4k is equal to minus 17. K is I am getting 17 by 4. Am I right, my dear? Am I right? Thappa exam. Romba tired out. Mudila. Okay. Now, the rational roots of the equation 2p cube minus p square, there is not 4n, it is 4p plus 2. Thunder Places, I am having you a quiz. Daniel, don't worry about the SP student and all, man. Please don't insult me. See, our syllabus in mathematics now, very simple. Actually speaking, let me tell you openly on the YouTube open channel, I'm saying, we people only making it complicated. As a teachers now, we want to impress you by showing some complicated method. Okay, but actually speaking, our syllabus is very light syllabus. Okay, you no need to be like, if you are an SP student or non-SP, anything. Anyone can approach. Now look at this. We need to find out the rational root. One method is what? Substitute the value of this option on the left hand side or the right hand side and you should get 0. That is one way of doing. What is the other way of doing? 2p cube minus 4p square. Sorry, minus p square minus 4p plus 2 equal to 0. What is common here? P square. 2p minus 1 minus 2. 2p minus 1 equal to 0. P square minus 2. 2p minus 1 equal to 0. Either p square equal to 2 or 2p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 by 2. This is the rational root because this is irrational root. My dear, the best method is what, as I told you, use trial and error method. Substitute the value of p on the right hand side and check whether you are getting 0 or not. Krish, I told you, my dear, I am there with you people till exam time. Right? Just follow my instruction. Okay, I'll keep on coming on my YouTube channel to help you all. Okay. Ha. Yes. Now listen here. I'm very happy to see this problem. Why, I'll tell you. Because it's a nice question. If 2x square minus of a plus 6 into 2x plus 12a minus 12a is equal to 0, we need to find the roots of the equation. Tell me how you are going to find out the roots of the equation. What method you are going to follow? Tell me, my dear. What method you are going to follow? Yeah, listen here. I will give you one trick. Okay, I'll give you one trick. If you like it, I want to see some thumbs up. What is this symbol called? What is this? Swag. Swag, ah. Okay, swag. Okay, if you like it, I want you to show me swag symbol or thumbs up or whatever, okay? Hey, after, if you like it, then show me. Na. If you don't like it, don't show me. Now, listen here. 2x square minus of a plus 6 into 2x plus 12a equal to 0. Now, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Tell me, what is a equal to? 2. B is equal to minus a plus 6 into 2. What is c equal to? 12a. Now, product of the roots is what? C by a. Product of the roots is c by a. 12 by 2. What is it? 6a. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no. 6a. That means options, you check the option, multiply two numbers, whichever option going to 6a, that is my answer. So, this can be my answer or this can be my answer. Am I right, my dear? Both are giving me 6a. So, my option is a or C. But answer is a only. Why? Sum of roots is a plus 6. Sum of roots is a plus 6. If I add these two, I am getting 3 plus 2a. But here what I am getting? A plus 6. This is the option. Now you say, my dear, if you understand swag or thumbs up, anything. Did you like this? What mostly people are doing, they ask you to substitute the values. Yes, very good. Ah, Daniel, that is good. Yes, they are showing. Yeah, very good swag. Yes, sir, got it. Ha. I want you to give me the answer for this. 17. Thank you all of you for this swag. Please solve it fast. Pavi, don't worry, Pavi. You please, once again, you go through that question. You can understand. Okay. सर का आगे कोई बोल सकता है क्या? मतलब क्या बोल सकता है? कोई कुछ बोला क्या? I did not read any comment. Yes. Acha, am I audible or what? Okay. Fine. Are you all enjoying the session, my dear? Are you all enjoying the session? Yes. Okay. Now, 3g square minus 14g plus 16 equal to 0. When you multiply, you will be getting what? 48. When you add, you should get what? Minus 14. So therefore, which are the two numbers? 8, 6 are. So, kids do like this. 3g square minus 8g minus 6g plus 16 equal to 0. Take g outside. 3g minus 8 minus 2 outside. 3g minus 8 equal to 0. 3g minus 8 g minus 2 equal to 0. G is equal to 8 by 3. G is equal to 2. This is what kids are doing. Am I right, my dear? This is the way kids are doing. But we are not kids, we are legends. Legends follow different way. What is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. That means 14 by 3. Product of the roots? That means what you know? When I multiply the two numbers, I should get 16 by 3. Am I right? Say yes or no? Now, 8 and 2 by 3, 2 and 8 by 3. Both are giving me 16 by 3. So my answer is either C or D. Now check with 14 by 3. 8 plus 2 by 3. 24 plus 2. No, no. 2 plus 8 by 3. What is it? 14 by 3. Sir, satisfied, sir. Answer D. This is one way of approach. Sorry, this is second way of approach. First way is this one. And the legends follow this way. What ultra legends do, I'll tell you. Look at this. I want my kids to be ultra legends, my dear. Listen here. What ultra legends do? I think these two numbers, anyone can get it. Say yes or no? Say yes or no, my dear. 8, 6 are 48, right? And 8 plus 6 is 14. Is that clear, all of you? Those two numbers, anyone can get it. Now, what is coefficient of this? G square, 3. Divide both the number by 3. 8 by 3, 6 by 3. This is my answer. Got it? 48 and 14. 8, 6 are 48. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now coefficient of x square divided by both the terms. You will get the answer. Did you like this method, my dear? K7 saying already you know. Wow, great, my dear. Yes, you understood this? Once more, sir. My dear, product is 48. Sum is minus 14. Both the numbers are 8 and 6. Coefficient of x square is 3. That has to be divided. That's it. मैंने यूज किया बट आगे नहीं समझा. अभी समझा? तनिष्क नहीं समझा. Which one you did not understand? I think ಸಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕೇಸವ ಇನ್ಮದ. Fine. Clear. Very good. Ha. Solving equation m plus root m equal to 6 by 25. The value of m works out to. Trial and error method is the best method. Don't waste your time by putting x root m and all. Listen here. 1 by 25 plus root m. 1 by 5 will come. Am I right, my dear? Root of 1 by 25 is 1 by 5. Now take LCM. 5 plus 1. 6 by 125. Sir, option A satisfies, sir. Ab samjha. Very good. Kusum is asking when is the TVM session. My dear, I'll tell you. Tomorrow we are going to do linear inequalities. Most of the students will take linear inequalities lightly. It's a small topic. Why to attend, you will think. But I can challenge you. Linear inequalities we are going to solve without using graph, without solving anything. By reading the question orally, everything we are going to solve. It's going to be different experience for you. So please try to attend. That is your wish. If you don't attend also, no problem. But still, how to take LCM, sir? Don't take LCM. Just cross multiply. That is enough. The value of P of which the difference between the roots of the equation x square plus px plus 2 equal to 0 is 2. We need to find the value of p. Ria, you found linear inequality very difficult, then attend my lecture tomorrow without fail. Please attend, you will enjoy. Now, the value of p, which the difference between the roots of the equation x square plus px plus 8 equal to 0. We need to find the value of p such that the difference between the roots is what? 2. TVM tomorrow will start after, because inequality is very simple topic. After completing it, immediately will start. Sahista, you are right, my dear. Piyush, you are right. Yes, C is the right answer. Guys, give me the answer. Plus or minus 6 is the right answer. First, let me show you actual method. What is alpha plus beta? Minus p. What is alpha beta? 8. Now the question is given as alpha minus beta is equal to 2. You know alpha minus beta the whole square, so square it. 4. Alpha square minus, see what I am doing. Formula. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equal to 4. P square minus 4 into 8 is equal to 4. P is equal to 36. P square equal to 36. P equal to plus or minus 6. This is what kids do. But how legends approach this sum, I'll tell you. Every option has got plus or minus. How to approach the answer, I'll tell you. How legends approaching this sum. Every option has got plus or minus. So plus or minus is compulsory. So ignore plus or minus. Go for 6, go for 4, go for 2, and go for 8. Only just number 2, 4, 6, 8 only will take. For example, instead of P, if I put this, is it factorizable? When I multiply, I should get 8. When I add a 2, not possible. Substitute 4. When I multiply, I should get 8. When I add, I should get 4. Is it possible? Not possible. Sir, now it is possible. What is it? 4, 2. Am I right, my dear? 4 2s are 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. What is the difference between them? Over answer. That's it, now. Or ultra legends, what they do, even they don't use for trial and error method. What ultra legend they do, I'll tell you. What is it? When and all 8 possible, either 1 into 8 or 4 into 2. Any other possibility we have? Any other possibility we have? So 1 and 8 is not possible, because I want the difference between the roots as 2. So only 4 and 2 I can take. So what is 4 plus 2 is? Sum of roots, 6. Answer over 6. This is ultra legend method. Correct, na? But see, I am open to all the methods. Whichever method you like, you take it. Guys, you understood? Did you enjoy this? I don't know whether you understood or not. Sai is telling no. Once again, sir. Which one you want once again? Listen here. What is the last number? Product is what? 8. How 8 you will get? Either 1 into 8 you will get, or 4 into 2 you will get. In these two cases only 8 you are going to get. Now, the difference between the roots is 2. 1 and 8 means difference is 7 we are getting. This cannot be my answer. 4 and 2. What is the difference, my dear? 2. So 4 and 2 can be my answer. 4 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. My answer is 6. Guys, you understood? Yes. Yes, sir. Understand. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Guys, fine. Okay, thank you. Understood, right? Apart from sums, you are real ultra legend, sir. Apart from sums, yeah. Apart from sums, I am real ultra legend means what is mean by this, Mohan? You are questioning my position. Now listen here. If the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0, x square plus qx plus p equal to 0, yes, someone, have a common root, then p plus q is. My dear, I will do it in two methods this sum. One is Min's method. Like this is the method actually available with everyone. The other one is legend method. Legend method you may not, that is everyone cannot understand, but try to understand. That's what I can tell you. I will try my level best to make it simple, this trick, but I'm not sure whether you are going to understand the trick, but actual method I'll teach you properly. Don't worry. Look at this. If the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0, x square plus qx plus p equal to 0 have a common root. Let me assume both the quadratic equation have a common root. Let me take it as m. So first one is what, my dear? M square plus mx plus q equal to 0. Am I right, my dear? Second one also same. What is it? M square plus mx plus p equal to 0. Am I right? Yes. M square plus mx plus q equal to 0. M square plus mx plus qp equal to 0. Because what is m is? Common root. We take common root. Because, sir, how did you take both the roots common, sir? Because it is given. One root is common. I don't know which root is common. I'm taking it as m. Is that right, my dear? Please listen this. After that, we need to solve it simultaneously. That is one method. What is the other method? I'm going to have the cross multiplication method. M square. First one is what? M square. Next one is what? M. Next one is what? Constant. Okay. Now look at this. Other than this, take these two, my dear. Cross multiplication. What you're going? Oh, sorry. This is not x. This is p, and this is q. Sorry, my dear. Actually, we have to replace x as p, and x as m. Now look at this. Now cross multiply. What you're going to get, my dear? This is cross multiplication. What is it? P square minus q square. What is it, my dear? P square minus q square. What is it? P square minus q square. Next. Try to understand. Is equation is written properly, my dear? Next one is what? P minus q. What is it? P minus q. Then finally, constant. Cross multiply q minus p. My dear, try to understand. This is not the trick. This is the actual method what I'm doing. Okay. M square by p square minus q square. M by p minus q. How did I take? M square plus mp plus q. Let me explain it once again. I know many people may not be able to follow, but bear with me, my dear. Now look at this. First you take m square by. Next you take m by. Next constant 1 by. Now cross multiplication. What we have to do, m square. Remove this part. Now cross multiply. P square minus q square. Next one. Here 1. P minus q. Then finally what? Remove this. Q minus p. Yes, Mayuresh, I told you in the beginning, some people may not be able to understand. I told you that, na? Don't worry, for you I have got different method. Arey, you are attending my lecture, then why you are bothering? Fine. Okay. Now look at this. By comparing, what is m by p minus q is equal to? 1 by q minus p. Cancel. What is m equal to? Minus 1. What is the value of m equal to? Minus 1. Substitute here. Minus 1 the whole square. 1 by p square minus q square is equal to 1 by p minus q. Sorry, minus 1 by p minus q. 1 by p square minus q square is what? P plus Q, P minus Q. Minus 1 by P minus Q. Cut, cut. By cross multiplication, P plus Q is equal to what? Minus 1. My answer is what? Minus 1. Generally, this is the method people follow. I understand many of you cannot follow this method. I am going with a different method. Look at this. Please. I am going to assume some value for, I am going to substitute some value for P and Q. You will get the answer. I am going to assume some value for what? P and Q. Therefore, I am going to get an equation. I am going to assume an equation. X square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus x, sorry, plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Please, if I take these two equations, what is the advantage? I'll tell you. When I solve this, x is equal to 1 comma 1. When I solve this, x is equal to minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1. Both the equations having what? 1 common root 1. Now they ask you to find out what is P plus Q. What is P is? Minus 2. What is Q is? Plus 1. What is minus 2 plus 1, my dear? Answer over. That is, you have to assume the quadratic equation, my dear. We need to assume a quadratic equation in such a way that product is what? That is, one of the common root is 1. I am taking this quadratic equation. If you take, compare these two, you will get the value of P and Q. Then you can find out P plus Q. Yes. Next, harmonic mean. I think, what is harmonic mean? Listen here, my dear. What is harmonic mean? For example, if two numbers are there, the harmonic mean formula is 2ab by a plus b. 2ab by a plus b. This is harmonic mean formula. Sir, from where it came, sir? It's a formula, my dear. 2ab by a plus b. Now listen here. Here we are talking about the roots. This is 2 alpha beta divided by alpha plus beta. Am I right, my dear? Can you please find out alpha plus beta and alpha beta? What is alpha plus beta? This is x square, huh? Minus b by a. Minus of 4 plus root 5 divided by what? 5 plus root 2, which is 5 plus root 2. What is alpha beta is? C by a. 8 plus 2 root 5 divided by what? 5 plus 2 root 2. Sorry, 5 plus root 2. Now substitute here. 2 into, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta? 8 plus 2 root 5 divided by 5 plus root 2 divided by, what is alpha plus beta is? 4 plus root 5 divided by what? 5 plus root 2. 5 plus root 2, 5 plus root 2 get cancelled. Now from these two terms, take 2 outside. 4 into 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5. Cancel, cancel. Answer is 4. From this, what we come to know, if you remember harmonic mean formula, 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta, you can find out what is alpha beta by from the equation. You can find out alpha plus beta from the equation, substitute and get the answer, my dear. If you are not understanding it, please watch it once again. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, this is 2x square, my dear. Let me correct it, yeah. It's 2x square. 2x square plus 5x plus k equal to 0 and 4 times alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 23. Then which of the following is true is the question. Now, what is given? 4 into, my dear, please listen this very carefully. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 23 is given. If a quadratic equation is given, means you can immediately find out what is alpha plus beta, what is alpha beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. Tell me what is alpha plus beta. What is alpha beta? K by 2. Am I right? Now, alpha square plus beta square, I gave you the formula. What is it? alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta. Now, you know what is alpha plus beta is. Tell me, what did you get? Minus 5 by 2. Is it nothing but 25 by 4? Minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta is what? Minus alpha beta. What is minus alpha beta is? K by 2 is equal to 23. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no? LCM is 4. So therefore 4 into 25 minus 2k divided by 4 is equal to 23. 4 cut. K I am getting it as 1, my dear. What is the value of k is? 1. Simply substitute the value of k on the left hand side of the equation. Whichever is satisfying, that is right hand side is 0, that is my answer. Can you please check and give me the answer? What is the answer? I am getting option D. D. D, my dear, put k equal to 1 on the left hand side of the equation, whichever is satisfying 0, that is what my answer. Whichever gives 0, that is not my answer. D. The value of k, if 2 is the root of the following cubic equation, x cube minus k plus 1 into x plus k equal to 0. My dear, put x is equal to 0 in, x is equal to 2 in the equation. Get the value of x. I want you to do it. Directly put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. Thunder, please ask me what is the legend method of the previous sum, sir. It will be a horrible Thunder play. Now, substitute x is equal to 2 in the left hand side of the equation, which is satisfying. Tell me, give me the answer. I think Shaista has given me 6. Shaista given me 6. Others. Let me check. 6 cube is 216. Minus k plus 1 into 6. Huh? Enama? X power? Oh, x is 2. See what I am doing. X is 2. 2 cube minus k is equal to 6. Now, the cost of 2 oranges, 3 apples is 28 rupees. If the cost of an apple is double, then the cost of 3 oranges and 5 apples is 75 rupees. Look at this. I am taking orange as x, apple as y. Is it 2x plus 3y is equal to 28, my dear? Next, cost of apple is double. That means apple I am taking it as y. Now it will become what? 2y. Now, then the cost of 3 oranges plus 5 apples, 5 2s are 10y. Take it as equation number 1. Equation number 2. Solve them simultaneously. Get the values of x and y. Then after that, substitute 7x plus 4y. Don't ask me any shortcuts here. There is no shortcut. The sum itself very simple. Don't insult yourself by asking shortcuts. Please do it. Solve it. Get it fast, my dear. Yes. Yeah, very good. You are fast. Saista, Piyush. Very fast. Fast, 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 fast. Make it fast. ये सब ठंडा हो गया टाइम. Okay. ना ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಿಂಗ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ठंडा हो गया सब लोग. हाँ. A is the right answer. What we have to do? Sir, solve it. Multiply throughout by 3. 6x plus 9y is equal to 84. 6x plus 20y is equal to 150. Minus minus minus. Minus 11y is equal to minus 66. Y is equal to 6. If y is equal to 6, 2x plus 18 equal to 28. I am getting x is equal to 5. So 7 into 5 plus 4 into 6. 24 plus 35, 59. Bang. That's it. Ha. Your chapter, my dear. Your chapter. Look at this. Your position. In a multiple choice question, paper consisting of 100 marks, 100 questions of 1 mark each. A candidate gets 60% marks if the candidate attempted all questions and there was a penalty of 0.25 marks for wrong answer. That's what you are doing, right? The difference between number of right answers and wrong answer is, we need to find out number of right answer and wrong answer, and we are going to assume what, my dear? The question, they have attempted all the questions. The student attempted all the questions. Now, if you want a trick, if you want a legendary method, show me some thumbs up or something, my dear, or like the video, my dear, please. Please like. Yeah, yes, Chiku, thank you. Yes. Okay, Kesavan. Okay. Yes, you are right. Good. Look at this. Now, what is it, my dear? 60%. What is it? 60%. Marks he scored is 60%. What is the difference is? 32 is given. What is difference, my dear? 32 is the difference. Difference between them is what? 32. Difference them is what? 32. Correct and wrong. Sorry, they ask you to find out the difference between correct and wrong. I'm going to use trial and error method. I'm going to use trial and error method. I'm going to use my, what, my dear? Trial and error method. Is that clear? Yes. How can we do that? Give me some suggestion, my dear. Option A, 32. Santosh also given 32. People are giving me answer 32. Now, listen here. If there are 32 wrong answers, if there are 32 wrong answers, correct answer must be what? 68. I am not using trial and error method. What I am using is, I am using some method like, you know, what we can say, multiples of 4 I am taking. I am assuming 32 and 68 because how much is scored? Only 60%. So I know the mark is between, the correct must be what? Between 60 and 70. Accordingly, I am taking 68 and 32, for example. 38 into 0.25, how much, my dear? So this is what is penalty. From correct answer, remove 8. So that is what is scored. Therefore, what is difference between 68 minus 32? So answer is 36. Don't mark 32. Here the actually catch is what, you know, the option is given as 32. Okay, that is the catch is 32. What you will do? Okay, 32 wrong answer you will mark. But actual answer is what? They ask you to find the difference between correct and wrong. The difference between correct and wrong is what? 36 actually. Now, if one root is half of the other, then difference is, what is it? And then the difference in roots A, then the equation is, look at this, One root is half of the other. Is alpha is equal to half beta, my dear? Then difference is A. What is alpha minus beta equal to? A. Alpha minus beta equal to what? A. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Why to square it on both sides? Alpha is equal to half beta. What is beta equal to? 2 alpha. Am I right, my dear? Substitute. Alpha minus 2 alpha is equal to A. Alpha is equal to minus A. Am I right, my dear? If alpha is minus A, beta is equal to minus 2A. Am I right? Now, quadratic equation they ask you to find out. What is quadratic equation? X square minus sum of roots. What will come? Minus 3A into X plus product of roots. So my answer is X square plus 3AX plus 2A square. Where is the answer? What mistake, my dear? Can you please help me to find out the mistake? Alpha minus beta equal to A. Beta equal to 2 alpha. Total there are 35 questions only. Please, that's it. Tisha is asking in which branch of Ednovate you take class. Yeah. See. I'm from Chennai. We have Ednovate in Chennai. That is what in the name of IQ. Yes, I'm running here. Okay. What mistake I have committed, my dear, is it right? X square minus sum of roots into X. I think options there is a problem here. This must be plus. X square plus 3AX plus 2A square. Fine. Next one. Another 4-5 sums are there. Let us wind up first. If the square of a number exceeds twice of the number by 15, then the number that satisfies the condition is. If the square of a number, दास हो तो रहेगा 300-400 के ऊपर. If the square of a number exceeds twice of the number by 15, then the number that satisfies the condition. Look at this. If the square of a number exceeds twice the other number by 15, then the number is. Use trial and error method. For example, take 3. Minus 5 you don't take. Take the positive number. First condition is what? Square of the number. What is square of the number? 9. Exceeds twice the number by 15. Twice the number by 15. Yeah. What is twice the number, my dear? See, if the square of a number exceeds twice the number by 15, if I take 3 as that number, what is square of the number is 9. And the twice the number is what? 6. So this is not coming. The difference I am not getting. Take 5. What is square of the number? Twice the number. What is the difference? Answer is over. So sir, which branch of Mumbai is best? My dear, if you ask me which eye is good, do you like left hand or right hand means what I can answer. 29th I want you to solve it, my dear. Solve the following pair of linear equations. Actually here pair of linear equations given, one equation actually missing. There is a mistake, but still we can get the answer. Answer is x is equal to AB, y is equal to AB. If you want, you can substitute b by a into AB plus a by b into AB. So b square plus a square. That's what our right hand side, option D. This one, word problem again. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter, the second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest and the third length is to be twice as the shortest. What is the possible length of the shortest piece? One length of piece is given and it is divided into 3 parts. One is shortest, one is second, third one is what? Longest. Am I right, my dear? Fine. Now what is the question, my dear? They ask you to find out shortest piece. Fine. Best method is use trial and error method. For example, option A is what? 22. Now the second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. That means second length must be what? Wow, fantastic. I love you all. 25. Next, third length is to be twice the shortest. That means what? 44. Very good. Now add everything. After adding, if I get 91 and that 22, my assumption is wrong. I think I'm getting 91 centimeter. Therefore, my assumption is wrong. See, my assumption is right. Man, I'm also tired, man. Now, very difficult question, my dear. Or if this type of question comes in the examination, what you will do? I'm really worried. But I pray to God, let this question come in the exam. If one root of the equation reciprocal of the other, then what is y? I told you already. What is my one root is reciprocal means? So y is equal to 5. Answer, direct answer. Very difficult, na? So what you will do if these questions are coming in the examination? I'm really scared, man. Yes. Fine. If the cost of 3 bags 4 pence 257, so 3x plus 4y 257, whereas cost of 4 bags, now what is the cost of 1 bag? That means they ask you to find out what x. Can you please find out? Cost of 1 bag. I think everyone became tired, it seems, right? Fine. Yes, Piyush, you are right. The starting, so many people given me right answers. Now no one is giving me answer. Yeah, 75. Okay, D. Yes, D is the right answer. I don't want to do this sum. I think you got the answer. Am I right? Fine. Okay. Next. Yeah, it's a challenging one. A group of 400 soldiers posted at border, but this type of sums and all comes means you may find it a little difficult. Huh? A group of 400 soldiers posted at border area had a provision for 31 days. So 31 days provision is there. For how many people? 400 people. See, 400 people are going to border for some reason, and along with the provisions are available for how many days, my dear? 31 days. After 28 days, 280 soldiers from this group were called back. After 28 days, 280 people called back. That means whatever we brought to the border, we were taking to border. Now only for 28 days, all 400 were using. Okay, after 28 days, 280 people what? Left. Okay. Find the number of days which the remaining ration will be sufficient. Look at this, my dear. Now remaining, how many people are there? 120. But food is there for 400 people initially. For 3 days, food was there available for 400. Now these 120 people, for how many days they can use that food? That's it. Definitely not 3 days. It will be more than 3 days. Do you all agree? Because number of people got reduced. Only for 28 days, all 400 people were using. Am I right, my dear? Now we are going to find out number of days. Please look at this, my dear. Now, initially, one line, please. Total 400 soldiers. Food available for how many days? This is what total availability. Now it's split into two. 400 people had food for 28 days. Am I right, my dear? Plus. Now this 400 becomes how many, my dear, for the remaining days? 120. Number of days only I have to calculate. Can I take it as D, my dear? We have to take it as D. Correct? Now we need to find the value of D. Yes, get the value of D, my dear. See, you have to use trial and error method. 10 now, okay. 48 into 20, 400 into 28 plus 1200 should be equal to this. What is the value of D, my dear? 10. Yes. The solution of the following system of linear equation. Very difficult question, ma. Why these questions are coming in the examination? Give me the answer. Give me some sunshine. Give me some rays. Give me another chance. I want to go once again. Yes, Mr. Thunderplay. What is the answer? C. 6 minus 10. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Yeah. Guys, give me the answer, my dear. C. Okay. 12,3. Sahista, what is this? There is no option 12,3. C. Okay. If the roots of the equation, this is x square, my dear, not x cube. X square minus px plus q equal to 0 or in the ratio 2:3. Go to my remember part. If the roots of the equation are in the ratio m:n, what is the condition I said? Tell me, my dear. See here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus p, c equal to q. My dear, please use my trick. M and b square. What is m and b square is? 2 into 3 b square is equal to 2 plus 3 the whole square AC, which is nothing but q. So 6p square equal to 25q. See, shortest answer. Am I right, my dear? Did you understand this? Look at this. Go for the remember part, my dear. Just check the remember part. If the ratio between the roots of the equations m is to n, what condition I said? M and b square is equal to m plus n the whole square AC. Here what is m, n? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6b square equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 square is what? 25 AC. My dear, say thank you, my dear. See, what a big sum. Just like that you solved it. It's such a big sum actually. Now, guys, you understood or not? Yes. What will be the value of k if the roots of the equation k minus 4 into x square minus 2kx plus k plus 5 equal to 0 are equal? Now look at this. What is mean by roots are equal? B square equal to AC. 4AC. Can you please do it? Then after that I'll tell you the legendary method. धन्यवाद आपका, thank you. Hey, did you understand? Did you like that method? Shukriya, sir. Yes, sir. Please get the answer, my dear. This is the last sum. With this, we actually speaking now beautifully we covered the entire syllabus of equation. This 2 hours 45 minutes session is more than enough to get 3 to 4 marks. I am telling you this, but you have to follow the, see, don't expect the same question in the examination. I just, in my session, what you are going to learn is you are going to learn only the approach. What you are going to learn? Approach you will be learning. So please learn the approach from me, my dear. Azraf, last question. This is the last question. Yeah. Nandri. KS. Very good. Nandri. Nandri. Dhanyavad. Shukriya. Thank you. Now listen here. Fine. What will be the value of k if the roots of the equation are equal? That is b square equal to 4ac. My dear, my initial introduction is very, very important. So don't miss that. Achha, you are asking me quiz. Oh, okay. I'll come back to you later, Thunder. Wait. Thak gaya re bahut. What will be the value of k if the roots of the equation k minus 4 into x square minus 2kx plus k plus 5 equal to 0? B square, what is it? Minus 2k the whole square is equal to 4ac. K plus, so what is it? 4k square, 4 into k square plus k minus 20. 4 cut. Even k square also cut. So k equal to 20. Please answer this quiz and close the class, sir. Thunder, I'm very much tired, man. Sir, you are having 9 similar looking balls, identical balls, but only one ball is heavier than all balls. How will you find the heavy ball? Only by using the traditional weighing machine by only 2 times. See, very difficult question. You are asking in wrong time, my dear. Yes, you will get the question bank. It will be uploaded. Don't worry. Now, sir, I don't want to use this method. Is there any other method, sir? Fine. Trial and error method. What is that method, my dear? Trial and error method. Please look at this. How to use trial and error method. First 18. What is it? 18. 18 minus 4 is what? It's not a perfect square. So don't use, because I need a perfect square to get the equal roots. That is my small logic. 20. Check this. What is it? 16x square minus 2 into 20 is what? 40x plus equal to 0. What is product? Huh? 400. Sum is 20, 40. Is it 20 into 20? Equal roots. सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 में मिस्टेक ही है. हाँ, नो 27 में मिस्टेक नहीं है. ऑप्शन सिमिलर ऑप्शंस. 27 minus 5 3 plus 5 15 is given. Okay, that's all, my dear. Thunderballs, can you give me the answer, my dear? I don't know this quiz answer. Sorry, sir. You are having 9 similar looking balls. Guys, people who are attending in my another YouTube channel, one student asked me the doubt. Sir, you are having, not doubt, one quiz he is giving me. Just help me out. Sir, you are having 9 similar looking balls, but only one ball is heavier than all balls. How will you find the heavy ball? Only by using the traditional weighing machine by only 2 times. If I don't know, logically if I pick up the ball, I'll come to know what is heavier and all. अच्छा ओके साहिब साहब आपने okay, so that's all with my today's session, my dear. I hope you enjoyed the session. My dear, say yes or no. Did you enjoy the session? I like it, man, like it. Did you enjoy the session? Say yes or no. Hindi tiriyav nandri vanakkam. Okay sir. Sir, you are having a thunder. Acha, thunder boy plays. He comes to this channel also and he is putting the question. Yes. Hey Thunderballs, tomorrow I'll give the answer. Today I'm very tired. I don't know how to think also, right? I know swamp. Swag. Yes. Guys, bye all of you. Good night, sweet dreams. Thank you. Please don't miss tomorrow's lecture. Bye, bye, bye. Good night. Thunderballs, tomorrow I'll do, man. Tomorrow I'll do. Guys, those who are attending Thankyou channel or Innovate channel, if you have not liked or not subscribed, please subscribe, my dear. And our people are saying me to say this statement. That's what I have to say. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yes, KS. Nandri Vanakkam. Yeah. Bye all of you. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. My people are telling me to subscribe, telling me to inform this. Please do it. Thank you. दूसरा चैनल का नाम Thankyou प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी, माय डियर. Good night, Thunder, please. Hey, give me the answer later, Thunder, please. That's called a dab, sir. End stream pannilama. End stream dana. Ah, understood. Just try by using 3 balls. Wow, very good. Yes, Mohan. Acha, that's called dab. Okay, okay, okay.